Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my first impressions slash review on the, bongga ba? Oka-loka, diba? Parang ito rin yung suot ko sa pants. Anyway, whatever. Huwag na nating anuhin yan. I-ano na, basta yun. I think it's been a few weeks since I started using the Pond's Acne Clear set, and I can say na hindi siya ganun ka-effective sa akin kasi meron pa rin tumutubo ng mga konting mga pimples, but hindi na ganun ka over like the first time I used it. I feel like it didn't really control the pimples talaga para hindi na sila lumabas talaga, especially kapag nagkakaroon ako. So yun, today we are going to try the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. Sabi dito, world's most powerful facial deep pore cleansing, 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. So hindi ko alam kung ano yung calcium bentonite clay, but this is how the packaging looks like. It just comes in like a simple plastic tub. Napakalaki. Gano'n ba karami to? Wait lang, let me check. 1 pound or 454 grams of product, and it's pretty hefty for I think I got this for only 450 pesos. I forgot. Basta less than 500 pesos. Healthy options. Super worth it na kasi ang laki-laki nito. Okay, first let me read to you what it says on the back of the tub. Sabi dito, napakalaki. Feel your face pulsate. Like, parang may heartbeat, parang tug 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 tug. Diba? Yun man. I think that's the meaning of pulsate. Enjoy the effects of clay in your own home. Beautify and refresh. Char bongga. Directions: mix clay with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar and or water. Use a non-metal bowl and utensil. Stir the mixture well to a smooth paste. Add more clay or liquid as needed. Apply 1/4 inch to 12 inches to the face or other area. Let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin and 15 to 20 for normal skin. You will feel a pulling and tightening sensation. Meron lang siyang sticker dito na parang nag-act as a seal. Sabi lang dito, calcium bentonite clay. Ayan. Tanggalin natin yung parang seal niya. It's so messy. I don't know if you can see, pero tignan niyo, may mga powder sa sa gilid-gilid, like, what? And when I open it, it's really so, you see that? It's so freaking messy. So, better do this like in your bathroom or wherever kasi napaka-messy nga niya. And that is what the product looks like. Powder lang siya. See? Like, look. Powder lang talaga siya. See? Let's move on to the next clip. Kung ano man yun, hindi ko pa na-decide siguro application or kung ano nang nangyari sa kanya, but we will see. As you saw naman sa previous clip, when I added the apple cider vinegar to the Indian Healing Clay Mask, nakita niyo naman parang nag-sizzle siya. So I have this much of the mask. I don't know if this will be enough, but let's see. It does smell kind of funky kasi syempre naman yung ginamit natin is apple cider vinegar. So, of course, it is going to smell funky. I just need my mirror. Alright, so to apply this, I'm going to use like a flat foundation brush since ito naman talaga yung ginagamit ko para sa mga mask ko. And let's go. Apply natin siya. Uunahin ko muna tong nasa plastic measuring spoon. Let's go ahead and apply this over the face. Ano ko lang, I'm just going to avoid the eye area. By the way, in case you were wondering, or if you're new here, I do have like oily, acne-prone skin. It already feels pretty tight, so siguro nagda-dry na siya ng konti. Babalikan ko na lang tong cheek na to just in case I applied too little, kasi marami pa siya, oh. So yung ginamit ko na pang measure is 1/2 teaspoon measuring spoon, pero dinoble ko siya, so 1 teaspoon yung yung ginamit ko for the Indian Healing Clay Mask, and for the apple cider vinegar, like same lang yung measurement na nilagay ko, or equal parts lang yung nilagay ko. And it turned out well naman. It was a good consistency for me. Alright, so I'm about to cover my entire face, and marami pa siya. So, siguro next time, I'll just do a 1/2 teaspoon na lang. Hindi ko na siya iwa 1 teaspoon agad. Alright, so here you go. Medyo naubos ko na nga siya, And, this part of my face, like yung upper lip ko, already feels a bit tight. So, nahihirapan na ako magsalita. I will probably leave this on for about 15 minutes. Kasi sabi doon kung hindi naman sensitive yung skin mo or delicate yung skin mo, you can leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. So, let's see. I-update ko kayo in case mag-pulsate na siya. I'm just gonna chill here in my room and watch some YouTube videos while waiting for 20 minutes. And, yun. As of now, dito lang naman yung medyo tight yung feeling ko, like parang medyo nag-dry na siya dyan. So yeah, take a good look at my face. Sige, babalik ako mamaya para magbigay ng update. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes and this is how my face looks like. I can barely talk because my my skin definitely feels so tight. Like so freaking tight. I can't speak. So I'm just gonna wash this off and then I'll be right back. Like, oh my god, it feels so stiff. And it's definitely dry now all over. Look at it, like up close. Looks like parang scaly skin. And it just did that by itself. Like, I didn't do anything. Like, ano ba yung ginawa ko? Wala lang. Nanood lang ako ng video without any emotions. Like, ganyan lang. And, nag-crack lang siya by itself. Tapos, parang nawala na yung product dito. It fell on my shirt. So, I'm just gonna wash this off right now. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys. So, I can speak now. I've already washed my face and yung unang tingin ko sa face ko, wala naman akong talaga nakitang instant results kasi hindi naman talaga ganun yung mga mask, diba? But definitely, my face feels super soft, like especially my nose kasi kanina my nose definitely felt really rough kasi ang daming ng blackheads and my face feels super soft as in and super smooth. Like, it is surreal. Hindi ganito yung feeling ng face ko madalas. But yeah, it definitely feels very smooth. My pores look super clean. Kaya lang yung nose ko, hindi siya ganun kalinis talaga. Like, meron pa rin natirang konting blackheads. Definitely, na-lessen niya yung blackheads ko. Kasi kanina, super dami ng blackheads ko, diba? I don't know kung naklaro niya siya. But yeah, this is how it looks like afterwards. Now, nung pinapadry ko yung yung mask sa face ko, I definitely felt the tightening sensation talaga. Like, parang pinupull niya talaga yung like parang nafe-feel ko talaga yung pulling effect. Like, I didn't feel yung pulsating effect na ganyan. Pero parang may pulling effect talaga and tightening effect. Like, especially kapag, sample, ganyan lang ako. And then, when I look to the side, feel ko talaga na parang pinupull niya yung dito na side. And then, when I look to this side, dito naman siya nagpupull. Like, wow, that's really cool. Like, nafe-feel ko talaga na parang pinupull out niya yung mga pangit, yung mga sebum and mga dumi sa aking pores. So, that's nice. I will try to use this. Like, what do you guys recommend? Once a week or twice a week? Please tell me in the comment section below. But for now, I really like it. And to think like 1/2 teaspoon na siguro kailangan mo or like 3/4 teaspoon para makover mo yung entire face mo. I think for 400 plus pesos, less than 500 pesos, it is totally worth it for like a once a week mask para pang deep pore cleansing talaga. So, yeah, I think it's worth it. I think you should give it a shot. Tapos, gagawa ako ng update like when kaya ako kailangan gumawa ng update. Today is September 7. I don't know kailan ko to ma-upload na video. Siguro next week pa. But, yeah. Probably I'll do an update 3 weeks from now or a month from now. Tignan natin kung merong ibang mangyari sa face ko. And that is my mini review on this product. By the way, kanina nung tinatanggal ko siya, it's not as easy to remove as this mask, yung Mint Julep mask. This is also from Healthy Options. Hindi siya naman ka-easy i-remove as that one kasi kailangan mo talagang magtagal doon. Kasi kailangan mo pa siyang palambutin ulit yung mask sa face mo. So you need to like douse it with water first. And and then after siyang douse talaga ng water, ayan, magiging soft na siya and magiging much easier to remove. Tapos dito naman, like ako, I don't know sa inyo, pero ako pag nag-wash ako ng face, like ganito ako, ganyan. Kanina, nung tinatry ko siyang tanggalin dito, so gumanyan ako. Medyo masakit siya, kasi nung gumanyan ako, na-stretch yung skin ko, tapos siguro yung mask din, na-stretch din, so masakit siya dito. So you need to be very careful para hindi siya maging masakit. Try not to do any facial expressions kapag ginagamit niyo yung mask na yun. And I think, wala na akong ibang maa-add. Yeah, siguro yun lang yun. I really like it. My face definitely looks cleaner and a lot brighter. And it feels a lot softer and smoother as well. I like it as of the moment. I'll probably use it once a month. Oh no. I'll definitely keep on using it as like part of my skincare regimen. So, sana nakatulong itong video na ito for you guys and I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well para updated ka every time I upload a new video and para updated ka talaga, like makareceive ka ng notifications, be part of the notification squad and hit the notification bell. Yeah, leave me your comments in the comment section below as well. Kung meron kayong questions, suggestions, or other video requests, leave them below. I'll be happy to answer them as soon as I can. And yun, I hope to see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hey everyone, welcome back. So, today's video is going to be a first impressions on this product right here. This is the new foundation release here.